Hi, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin, and today I'm here with the July 2019 Ladybug Stampin Craft Kit. What is the craft kit? What is Ladybug Stampin Craft Kit? Do you know? Okay, if you don't, what this is a kit that I put together using product from the annual catalog or holiday or occasions, depending on what's active at the time. And I get inspired by something that's from the catalog, so a stamp set, coordinating die, coordinating punch, or just a stamp set. Most of the time it is a stamp set and a coordinating punch or die. And then I put a kit together that inspires me from this, and this one is actually from this particular suite because it has some other things that go with it, coordinates with it. And then I take those pieces, I put it all together, I make it the kit worth $25, which includes shipping, and then I send it to you. Now, it does not include the stamp set or the coordinating die or punch. That you can purchase separately at my online store, and there is a link down below for that. And that's because I want to keep costs down, because maybe you already ordered the kit, or maybe you already ordered the stamp set, and then I would have to, I'd have to, finagle and make, get another set for you. So this way, if you want the set, you can go ahead and order it. For $40, you get a $5 voucher to use on a future purchase from Ladybug Stampin. Okay, so this is $25, this kit. And like I said, it includes everything in here, and I include the shipping costs in that, so all you gotta do is pay the $25. Okay, all right, so let's get started for July. I'm excited about this kit. Okay, so again, we're inspired by the silhouette scenes. Oh, now did I tell you guys the name of this? I don't think I did. So this is called the Silhouette Scenes. This is Silhouette Scenes stamp set and Sweet Silhouette dies, and I think that's what the let me look in here. Well, let's just look and see, because I want to show you guys. This is how I was like wowed. I think this is my favorite set, or at least one of the favorite sets. So you've got all these beautiful images here, and I did not know until I opened this up to really kind of like get this kit together, that this right here is almost like my memory decks card that I made. Now, of course, I used old olive for the tree, but I used the same paper, the same sentiment. I did it differently. I did use a clip, and I used that girl. I literally did not see that, so I thought that was pretty cool. This is just a lovely, lovely suite, and of course, here's the papers, all the gorgeous papers that come with it, and I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, so let's move this over. So the first thing, let's get the little bits out of the way. I always send you a sheet of dimensionals, because more likely we're going to be using those. I send you 5 envelopes, and then we normally only get 4 projects, mostly all cards, but I send you 5 just to make it even. Okay, the next thing, I send you a package of die cuts and some little accessories that might coordinate or might go with this. This month, because of one thing I'm sending you, there's not a whole lot of accessories. I am sending you the coordinating mini binder clips. You see those right there? Those are tiny, but they're really cute for the sentiments, and you can use your alcohol Stampin' Right marker, or Stampin' Blends markers. Sorry, Stampin' Blend markers on these. I used my Poppy Parade, I think it was, for my memory decks card, and I colored that. So you can make it any color. Well, that's in the alcohol family, in our Stampin' Blends family. And I've got some die cuts in here. Now, I'm not going to show you all of them, but you can pretty much, you'll see some of these, because I will probably be adding more to this little packet. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be using, because I haven't actually made the cards yet. And what I've discovered is, for me, I like to put the kit together, everything from the suite, and most of the times it is a suite that I base the kit off of. And I like to be challenged by the things I just throw in there, because I give you stuff that's been retired, like die cuts or punches that have been retired, like this happy birthday one. And I think there's some hearts in here from a heart punch we had a couple years back. And I like to challenge myself based on, now I won't use retired product to make your 4 cards, but that's just for you to, you use. But I go based off the suite and what inspires me, and I use some of the stuff I have, okay? Okay, let me stop babbling. Okay, the next thing is the ribbon. You get a yard each, unless I tell you differently. Like last month, the baker's twine, I gave you 5 yards of the baker's twine, but normally it's just a yard. And this month, we've got the Poppy Parade. I can't remember what the name of that one is. This basic black, like, it's not a shimmer, but it's a satin, more of a satin. Then the Whisper White Flax. I know that I sent this last month, but I needed a white ribbon and to go with this, and this is all we have besides the polka dot, and I didn't want to use the polka dot one. And then a yard of the crushed curry crinkled seam binding. And you will also get it on this piece right here. It's a piece of Whisper White. It's cut by 2 by, I think, 4 inches. And then I've punched it out using our triple banner punch. Now, I don't adhere these with adhesive to the cardstock, these ribbons. So you'll actually be able to use this piece right here on a card or anything else you might want to use. I saved that, and you get that as well. You're also going to be getting one of our acetate boxes. I try to like send some kind of container. I don't know if I use it as part of one of the projects, but I always like to send something. So last month, the pizza boxes, and you know, I try to send something. So this month it's going to be this. This would be great to put some cards in there, or do like a 3D card effect. You could use that for this. All right, and then also I'm going to send you a sheet of our new Fluid 100 watercolor paper. It is made by the company Fluid 100, and this, I like this watercolor paper. It's really smooth, and it's not as pitted as our old watercolor paper was. And so I don't know, I get a cleaner image. I just think, I don't know, I've used almost 2 packs of this, and that's how much I like it. So you'll get a whole sheet of this. I'm not sure the size. Let me see. So tell me on here. 5 inches by 5 by 7. So this is 5 by 7, and here's the name of the company. Okay. You'll also be getting 12 sheets of DSP. They will be cut at 6 by 6. It's like a paper share. So you'll get 12 sheets of these. Now, I'm not showing you 12 sheets. I'm only showing you 6 because I literally have used a lot of this paper pack, and I don't have. There's one in here that I don't, this is the only piece I have left. So you're going to be getting 12. So you get 2 of each design. And I'm going to show you the front and back. Aren't those pretty? So you get those. I mean, some of these are really pretty. This one here, and back. This one here, and back. And this is the one I've used a lot of. So I've got this one and this piece right here. This is, I love, love, love this. I don't know why, but that just does something to me. Okay, so you get 12 pieces of this, 12 pieces of DSP. And then you're going to get 10 pieces of cardstock in this month's kit. You're going to get Pacific Point, Whisper White, Rich Razzleberry, Real Red, Pumpkin Pie, Old Olive. Can you see Old Olive in there? Blackberry Bliss, Night of Navy, Poppy Parade, and Daffodil Delight. And those colors are all in these, and the DSP colors. They coordinate with each other. Okay, so that's why you get those. Here's the big thing. This is what you're going to be getting. There's no way for me to really send you a share of Stampin' emboss powder, so I had to send the whole container. That was just the only way, because I really want you guys to have this for this kit, because I will be using this in a couple of cards. I know that for a fact already. So yeah, I'm sending you hope. Now mine's empty because I keep it in a container, but I just want you guys to see this lovely, look at that. Does that not look like space? And it's got like a million little stars. And you know what I find appropriate, because I am posting this on July 20th. I think it was 50 years ago today. I think that's what I've been hearing. That man landed on the moon. And you know what else? It's the same year I was born, so it really makes me feel old. So yeah, so I just oh, that's kind of cool. You know, I don't know. Anyways, I'm goofy. All right, so I'm gonna put this back on here before I spill it, because I have been known to spill Dazzling Diamonds. Okay, I'm gonna put this all back over here. All right, so this is what we're getting this month. This is for July 2019. Again, this kit right here is $25. That it does include everything you see here plus shipping. And then, you know, the die cuts. You know, I always try to add more die cuts, you know, so you get something to play with. Okay. Again, if you want to purchase this, there's will be a link down below, and there will also be a link for this on my blog post. To reserve this kit, there will be a link down below, and also on my blog post on my website. Okay. To reserve the kit, you need to reserve the kit by the 25th of July. I will send out invoices on the 26th or sooner. The sooner I get them paid, the sooner I get them get the order in to Stampin' Up. Okay, so but you will have until July 30th to get them paid, the kits paid for, and then I will order on the 31st. Okay, as soon as I get those back, barring no setbacks for back order items. That happened last month. We had a back order item, and so it took a little bit longer. But I was gonna go ahead and send it, but it was coming pretty quickly, so I thought, well, I'll just wait. All right, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by today. Have a very happy rest of the summer, and I will see you guys later. Bye.